We're about to add our yeast, but first this is the perfect time to take a hydrometer reading. Hydrometers measure what we call gravity. Simply put, it's going to tell us how much sugar is in the mix. Yeast eats sugar and turns it into alcohol. So if we take a reading now and then a reading after fermentation is complete, there should be less sugar at the end because it's been converted to alcohol. The difference, we assume, has been turned to alcohol by the yeast, and this will tell us how strong our meat is. We know how much we started with, we know how much we're left with, the difference is alcohol. But you don't have to worry about all the fancy maths. Just find an online gravity calculator and punch in the two numbers, the first reading and then the final reading, and it will calculate your ABV, your alcohol by volume. You cannot simply take a final reading. To get an accurate result, you must have two numbers, one before and one post. Reading a hydrometer can be annoying as they are often marked stupidly, in my opinion. The first number is not 1.1, 1.2, 1.3 and so on. It's actually 1.01, 1.02 and so on. Only when you get to the second set of numbers will it read 1.1, 1.11, 1.12 and so